Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I have the classic chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Didn't get the spicy. I don't do spicy foods. I have acid reflux, so that's a definite no-no. But I did get the classic sandwich. It looks pretty good. They gave me two big pickles, mayo on there. The only thing, it looks just like the spicy sandwich. The only thing that's missing is pretty much that spice sauce that they put on the spicy sandwich. And I got mashed potatoes, and I did get me a tea. But what I want to talk about is all the hype over this sandwich. Now, I didn't stand in line for 2 to 3 hours to get this sandwich. I did order my sandwich through Uber Eats. It did take an hour to get here. And it is a pretty tasty sandwich. I have tasted the spicy chicken sandwich. However, I just don't do spicy foods like that. But the spicy one was pretty, it had a really good taste. And some people like the spicy one better than they like the classic. I've never had the classic, so I'm gonna see how I feel about it. But what I want to talk about is that it's just so much hype over this sandwich that people are standing in line for 2 to 3 hours. People are arguing. People are fighting over this sandwich. Social media has hyped this sandwich up so much. That people are even losing their lives over this sandwich. I live in the state of Maryland, and someone lost their life yesterday over this sandwich. It started out about the sandwich with somebody busting in front of somebody in line, and somebody ended up losing their life and getting stabbed to death. That's absolutely crazy to me. That's absolutely ridiculous to me. It's ridiculous. And I just hope November of next year that people have this same enthusiasm when you going out to vote. Have the same attitude when you're going out to vote. Keep that same energy when it's time to vote and get Trump out of office. I just really hope that y'all have the same attitude in regards to that, because the things that's going on that I'm seeing right now is just ridiculous. I done seen so many videos on social media where people are arguing. Even the Popeyes workers are fighting. I don't know if, it's because people are getting mad at them. Maybe they moving too slow. Maybe they done ran out of sandwiches. I don't know. But please, y'all, it is not that serious. And to be honest, I prefer people to just Uber and go through Uber Eats, and get your sandwich. Go through Uber Eats. It's safer. It's much safer. And then not only that, the Uber Eats people, they need to watch their damn backs too. If you work for Uber Eats, I suggest you go get you some mace or something, because people are crazy out here. You never know. People see you coming to drop somebody's sandwich off, and they been to kick your ass over a sandwich. And it's crazy. Please don't fight people over this sandwich. If you deliver my sandwich, give it up. Give it up. The meal was $13. That $13, I can get that back. But you can't get your life back. So stop. Just stop. Stop. Please, just stop. It's just, I just don't have any understanding for it. I really don't. It's ridiculous. Nevertheless, my Uber Eats driver got here safe, got here on time to deliver my sandwich. Like I said, these lines that I have seen, these lines are in the streets, and they're holding up traffic to get this sandwich. I'm not doing all of that. It's a sandwich. I'm not doing it for a pair of shoes either. I'm not doing it for anything. It's just ridiculous. It really is. But this bread is so soft. It's super soft. I have these damn braces. I know I'm not going to be able to bite into this sandwich, so I'm going to have to break it and bite it. I should have got me some french fries, but said, well, let me go ahead and get me some of these mashed potatoes. They don't even give you like they stingy. Popeyes, y'all stingy. Shit, y'all stingy, but y'all need to do something about y'all side orders. Because this small or regular side order, this is for a child. This is for a toddler. I'm a grown woman, baby. 165 pounds. What is this? Popeyes? Come on, y'all, get it together. Make your side orders. Make your regular side orders a little bigger. Please, for me. And put a little more gravy. Put a little more gravy. That's all I ask. Because this don't make sense. I'm not going to give y'all no long, drawn-out video. I just want to do a taste test to see how this classic tastes. So I'm going to break it because I can't really bite into it. Ooh, look how soft that bread. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to break. They're falling apart. Alright, so sit that right there. I done broke a piece of the chicken right there. Here's another little piece. I done broke off. Oh. You know what? I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. This sandwich is good as shit, okay? I ain't gonna lie, it is. It's good as shit. Very tasty. Oh. It's not all dry and shit. It's moist. The bread is kind of sweet, like a Hawaiian roll. I don't know. If one of my kids came down here asking for a piece, I might block one of their eyes. Now, this is a sandwich that I wouldn't share. I wouldn't share this with nobody. I'm sorry, y'all. I wouldn't share this with nobody. But I ain't fighting nobody over it. I ain't fighting. I ain't standing no line for it either. But I ain't sharing it if I got it. It's tea good, too. Popeyes need to put a little ice in here, baby. It's good, but shit falling in my mouth. It's good, but it's lukewarm. Come on, Popeyes. Come on, baby. Get it together. Shit. First is the potatoes, now it's the drink. But it's good. It really is. It's really tasty. This is a tasty sandwich. The pickles are good too. I'm mad that I can't bite it. I'm mad as shit I can't bite this sandwich. Dumbass braces. But, I ain't leaving no crumbs. No motherfucking crumbs. I done bit my motherfucking lip. Ooh, I bit my lip. I gotta go, y'all, because I got to get into this. Hear that crunch? You hear that crunch? Y'all. Baby, let me tell you something. I think I want to call Uber Eats, but I should have ordered. I should have got 2 sandwiches. That's what I should have did. You got 2 sandwiches. And that's just doggish. So y'all, thank y'all for watching. That's my take. That's my 2 cents. See you when I see you. Bye. Make sure you subscribe.